For a 10-year-old Pulsar 220, she still can touch 140 kilometers an hour.
Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Puneet Amin and today I'm gonna share with you my Moto vlog setup. So I upload videos on travel, adventure, road trips, bikes and more. So this is a very exciting YouTube channel, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Also ring that bell icon. And now let's begin. Alright, so this is the setup that you need to have a proper motor vlogging helmet. So first you need is an helmet, next is the action camera, this is an audio adapter to the GoPro. So depends on an action camera you have, you need one or not. Then I bought this customizable case because I need to fit this adapter into this case, as the original case does not have the provision for this adapter. And then you need a mic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox each of this product and then have a complete setup done in my helmet. So I'll put link to each of this product in the description box below. So let's first start with the helmet. So this is an MT helmet, an MT Thunder 3 series. So this is the Isle of Man edition, the race that I follow and end up a huge fan of. Also, this helmet goes with the color combination of Hunter, that is my motorcycle, that is the Interceptor 650 from Royal Enfield. And coming up next, I have the action camera. This is a GoPro Hero 6, followed by the audio adapter which you need for your GoPro, especially if you're using a GoPro Hero 5 and the later models. And this alone costs around 4,300. That is the MRP for this product. Now I bought this at Amazon Great India sale, this product as well as this product last year, so I got it at around 3,750. And the next product that I have is the Ulanzi GoPro case. Now this is a customized case so that I can fit this particular adapter in one case itself, as the original case does not have any arrangement for it. And moving further, then we have the mic that is required to be fitted inside your helmet. So this is a mic from Moto. This costed me around 700 rupees. Alright, so this case costed me around 1200 rupees. Again, I bought this last year in the Great India sale from Amazon. Original MRP is around 15 to 1600, plus this product's prices keep changing in Amazon, so you can keep checking it out. And now let's start unboxing each of the products. So let's start with this. Let's see what we have inside. Right. Okay. Oh wait, is that it? That is it. Not even an instruction manual for 4,000 rupees. So it's basically a rubberized material. Alright. So coming up to the next case, this is the Ulanzi GoPro case. Alright, some stickering. Again, another stickering. And here is the actual case. Okay, the build quality feels really nice, and I think, yeah, you open it here. This is where your camera goes. Alright, 1 minute. Oops. And this is where the adapter goes. Now moving on to the mic. Alright, okay, this is the customer service, and this is about the mic, how to use, and the specifications. So that's about it. So yeah, let's keep it all at the side. And alright, look at it. Oh, this is a very nice case, a good quality case. pouch more of it, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, so this is the mic, original mic from Moto, and then you get a clipper that you can attach to your t-shirt or shirt. Alright, this is the one of the most important thing if you're planning to connect to your action camera or any camera in that case. So this is basically a converter. Alright, so now let's start with the fitting process. Let's take out this camera out of its original case. Wow, action camera, right? Shockproof. And let's put that camera inside this case. Hopefully I don't drop it this time. There you go. Now I need to fit in this audio adapter inside this compartment. So alright, I missed one thing. I need to open this door, the audio door in the GoPro. And yes, so this, as you see, there is a type C adapter, so this one goes in here, and in that case I have to remove this door from the GoPro. It just basically pull and it's off. I'll just keep it here for now, and as soon as the door comes off, your GoPro is not waterproof anymore. Yeah, so that is one disadvantage about it. So make sure if you're riding in rains, you cannot use your vlogging setup in the audio department. Right, so there it goes inside. Here we go. Okay, so now this one has come on this side. That means I have to put this wire through this hole. That's a tiny hole. Come on. Alright, almost there. Yeah. So that's how we do it. That is inside. And then now, oh, it's a tight bend. And here you go. This is how it fits and looks, making it a little bit straight as possible. And so here, okay, so I need to use this adapter. I'm being quite clumsy today. Okay, and here you go. So this is your GoPro vlogging setup. Now I'll be using this cable and circling it around my helmet through the paddings, and it is going to take a while. So let's do one thing. Let's speed the video up. Alright, as you can see, I've opened up a bit of padding, and I think this should be quite enough. And there are already certain wires running around, because this is the wire and the connection for my intercom. Alright, so my helmet is all set up to go for a test run. Let's see how the audio sounds. This is where I brought the mic out. I could have put it under the chin, but in that case you'll just be hearing my breathing, so I don't want that. That's the reason I've kept it here. Let's see how it comes out. I'll be talking through this mask inside the helmet. Okay, let me just correct it. And let's see how it sounds. Let's go. Alright, so the day I'm shooting this is Ganesh Chaturthi, so Ganpati Bappa Moria, and the plan is to record the video with the visor open and visor shut. So this is the walking audio check with the visor open. Now with the visor shut. So my both bikes are standing next to each other. This is the Interceptor or the Hunter, and this is the Stallion. So I call my Pulsar Stallion. I have a Pulsar 220 as well, so I'm a bit confused on which one to take. So there you are, the Interceptor is right under this cover, all protected. And I think I'm gonna go with the Pulsar 220 because it's been a while, and the whole biking journey started because of this bike. And we have a potty here. So this is a 2010 model, so it's been around 10 years that I've owned this bike, and I have made some performance upgrades to this because after 5 years I was literally bored with the power. I had almost used up all the power, all the 21.5 horsepower. I had used it up. That's the top speed and everything. So I went for an K&N air filter upgrade plus and full system free flow exhaust. So this bike is also going to be a little bit loud. And now this is extremely loud. Some water inside. So ignore this plastic. This is a temporary fix as water enters the fuel lid, and then it enters the fuel tank, which is a very bad thing to happen. It's time to make some noise. Ignore the side stand warning because the sensor is malfunctioning because of the rains. Just tight. See? Okay, so I've specially taken the DB killer out because I want to know how it sounds inside with a loud noise in the background. How is the mic capturing it? Otherwise I keep, normally within the city I keep the DB killer on always. And let's hit the highway. So here's what we are gonna do. We are gonna do speeds of between 50 to 60 with the visor open and visor shut, and similarly we will try and touch 120 and test it at visor open and visor shut. This is visor up, 40, visor is open, 80, 100. So this is the audio quality. And going up the speed. 138. Whoa! For a 10-year-old Pulsar 220, she still can touch 140 kilometers an hour. And that's the reason I'm not sold this bike yet. I love this bike because it's my first bike, and the whole riding pleasure started on this bike itself. Woo! And she still surprises me every time I ride it. So you saw how this beautiful 10-year-old Pulsar 220 performs. So you must have noticed that there has been some static clicks that has been coming up on the video. So what I've done is I've changed few settings and played around with it, and I'm gonna try it again. So this time I think I'm gonna take out the Interceptor. Here is the bike switch Okay, so we will be doing the same test, visor open, speed around 80, 90, 100. Check it, and visor shut at speeds around 80, 90 and 100. Alright, so let's go. This is the visor open. We are doing 50. Visor open. We are now 60. Alright, let's go some open stretch. 80, 90, 100. So this is audio quality on 100 kilometers per hour. We're doing 80, visor is down. We're doing 90 now. We're doing 100. Hopefully the audio is clear as well, and we have some traffic coming up, so slowing down. So this bike can do 140 easily, even sooner than the Pulsar 220. Of course, but there is no opportunity to do that, and I don't want to take any silly risks. Hence, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Alright, so that brings an end to the Moto vlog setup. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More exciting vlogs coming up soon. And now time to say goodbye and see you soon.